Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Shame-Free Sundays series. This is a part of our podcast, A Better Way to Heal, where faith meets therapy. We talk a lot about shame on this series. Shame is that inner critic that never lets you rest, that voice that says, I'm not enough, no one could ever love me, I'm damaged, I'm defective. Before we dive in today, I just want to ask you, have you ever had any of those thoughts? Well, I created a free shame quiz to help you get some clarity to find out if you're struggling. So just head on over to eleanorbrowncounsling.com/shame-quiz-freebie. Don't worry, I know it's a mouthful. The link is in the show notes. Join me and Harmony as we explore the intricacies of shame and how it impacts your life. We're going to look at how faith and therapy come together to help us understand what's healthy and what's not, and how to walk in freedom. Okay, it looks like we are live. And I think I've got it hit on Instagram as well. There we are. We are live. So, hello everybody. This is Ellie Brown, or otherwise known as Eleanor Brown, and I am with Eleanor Brown Counseling. I am here to talk to you today about shame, a topic that is, I could say, very near and dear to my heart. Sorry, Harmony. This is Harmony. Harmony is our Shame No More bear, and she helps me to not go down the shame spiral, and I hope she helps you too. I don't know if any of you have thought about getting your own type of external reminder not to blame yourself for things that may go wrong. I'm going to tell you a little story. And before I do that, I just want to invite you to, if you haven't already, taken my shame-free quiz on my website, www.eleanorbrowncounsling.com. I have a few blogs, and a few of them, well, several of them is all about shame. But my latest blog has the shame quiz embedded in that. So you can go there, sign up for it, and take that shame quiz and find out, do I deal with issues of shame? Well, I'm a therapist, so I really shouldn't be dealing with issues of shame, because, I help other people. And I must say that at one point in my life, there's 12 questions. I answered the highest level on all 12 questions. But today, I don't do that as much. But, sometimes we become a therapist and we talk a lot about things because it's something that we have overcome. Well, I want to tell you about a Facebook or Instagram Live I did this morning. I did this with my co-host for my podcast, and I'm the one that is the least techie, and so I did it on my tablet, and I'm like, okay, I got this, I can get it, I can put it on the reel, and I can send it out after the live. Well, y'all, I lost it. I lost the live and could not find it for over an hour. I did eventually find it, but I was really kind of like, well, why did you do it? Why didn't you let Issa do it? Why did all of the things? And I had to remind myself, and Harmony helped me, because Harmony is Shame No More. So Harmony really helped me pull out of the shame cycle so that I could focus and really look for the live. But I say all that to say, we're never beyond beating ourselves up. But how badly do we beat ourselves up? Do we beat ourselves up to the point of we're frozen and we can't move any further? Or do we beat ourselves up just enough to remind us not to do whatever that was again? For me, I might have beaten myself up just enough so that maybe I will know to look on my phone for the lives versus trying to look on the computer for the lives. But that's just a small example of how we can beat ourselves up going down this shame cycle. So I was able to get out of that shame cycle. I was able to go out and um, play in my pottery shed today and make some beautiful things that um, I can't wait to give to the people that I'm making them for. I'm making one for my granddaughter Marissa, so hopefully, if she's watching this, she knows that she's getting something. But I love playing on the pottery wheel, and I love kind of talking. I say I love talking about shame, but I love helping people overcome issues of shame. Not really talking about it, but I do love helping others. And so I hope this is helping someone. And if it is, go out, sign up for the shame quiz. Again, www.eleanorbrowncounseling.com. Sign up for the shame quiz and continue watching the Shame Free Sundays. If you have questions, if you have something that you struggle with, please feel free to drop it in the comments. I'm going to drop all the links in the comments, but let's keep the conversation going so that hopefully we can really help the next person shame no more. We want to. That's where we really want to get to. We want to get to that place where free people. I want to help somebody out there who's dealing with shame. I want you to know that you are not bad. You are not defective. You are not broken. You may have some things that you need to forgive yourself for, that you need to forgive others for, but you're not bad. You're not broken, and you're not defective. And those were things that I needed to hear for so many years, and I hope that you hear them today. Thank you for watching. Harmony and I just passed our 7-minute mark, so we are going to peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching us. We really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed the episode, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and join us next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.